Hi, my name is Elisa from Paragon Acura, and today I'm here to explain to you how easy it is to use Acuralink. So Acuralink is an app that allows you to connect to your vehicle from a smartphone or an Alexa device to control features of your vehicle. There are 4 packages available, which include the basic, security, remote, and concierge packages. Our basic package offers plenty of features including scheduling your service, vehicle health report, and 24/7 roadside assistance. Our security package includes automated collision notification, emergency calling, and enhanced roadside assistance. The remote package is our most popular because it includes remote start and stop, remote lock and unlock, and stolen vehicle locator. And lastly, the concierge package offers everything in the previous packages, plus a personal concierge that helps you with anything from booking a flight to making restaurant and hotel reservations. One of the best things about this app is that Acura offers a 6-month complimentary trial of the remote package on qualified Acura models. Finally, I'm going to walk you through how to download Acuralink on your smartphone. It's as simple as going to your app store, typing in Acuralink. Once the app downloads, you're going to open up your application. You're going to hit Allow, View Terms and Conditions, Accept. So now we're just going to add my vehicle, and we're going to scan the VIN number, which is located on the bottom of the driver's side door. Get started and register now. You're then going to enter your email address, which you provided the dealership with. A link will be sent to that email, and then you can create your profile. With your profile now set up, you now have access to all of your features, such as the remote commands on the bottom. To turn your Acura on, just click here and wait a couple of seconds. Another benefit is that Acura and AT&T have teamed up to provide in-car Wi-Fi on certain models, so you and your family can stream premium content from Warner Media library while on the road. Now you know how easy it is to set up Acuralink. For more information, please contact us at Paragon Acura.